Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cori if you're new here, and usually I always start with my makeup already on my face, but today I'm actually going to be showing you guys my morning skincare routine. My skincare routine is honestly one of my top requested videos. Even when I post it, people still ask me to do it again. So recently I did my nighttime skincare routine, which is a lot more intense than my morning skincare routine. They're very different because my nighttime skincare routine is after me usually wearing a full face of makeup at work for Sephora and stuff, but my morning skincare routine is much more simple, much more light and easygoing. So the first product I always start with is my makeup eraser. Personally, I like the makeup eraser because I feel like it is more environmentally friendly, but I do have two that I alternate between because I feel like just using one is kind of unsanitary. I feel like you should have a different washcloth every time you wash your face, but those are $20, so I'm gonna stick with two for right now. But what I like to start with is my makeup eraser, and I like to use this new cleanser I've been using called Santeva Intense Clarifying Cleanser. I've been having a lot of issues lately with finding a facial cleanser. I mentioned to you guys that in my last skincare routine I had been using the Ole Henriksen vitamin C facial wash. For whatever reason, every cleanser that seems to claim clean, and they might actually be clean, have just broken me out. On my forehead I get these little bumps all over my face, and then they take forever to go away. So I decided to back away from the clean skincare because it's just not working for my skin. So I went with this one, and this cleanser has sea grape and caviar, which is in pink dandelion. This cleanser is really good for obviously cleansing the skin. It is a cleanser, but it helps to even out the skin tone. What I do is I take this cleanser, and it just looks like this. It has beautiful luxurious packaging. I put a little bit on my hand, and I love the color of it. It's like a gold color, and it smells so good. There's a light fragrance in here, but it is very fresh. And I wash my face. And I just let it lather up. And then next I wipe it off with my damp makeup eraser. I always use a makeup eraser for my face. I don't really like to use a washcloth on my face. Just something about washing my body and then having the same washcloth go on my face. And I bring it down my neck as well. And it just smells so fresh and really, really good. Next, I take my Badescu facial spray. This one has aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea in it. And this just kind of helps keep the skin alive. And I just tone my face with this, so right after washing. And I just kind of fan it, let it melt into the skin so my skin kind of soaks up all the ingredients. After that, I'm going to take the Santeva Intense Rapid Fading Treatment. This one also has sea grape, caviar, and pink dandelion in it. And again, this is really good for evening out the skin tone. And I like this specifically because I told you guys I've been having some really rough issues with my skin. And ever since I started using both of these items, I haven't had any breakouts at all, not even hormonal. And I have a little scar here. I got a really painful pimple here maybe a month or so ago. And it hurt so bad that I had to pop it because it was so painful, but it left a little scar. And the day I started using this, I noticed that the scar kind of faded a little bit. I'm not even sure if you guys can see it anymore, but it's right here. But it's gotten a lot brighter. There's also some little tiny bumps just from all the issues I've had with my skin. And so to even out my skin tone, I take this on a cotton round and I just kind of wipe it on my face in an upward motion. I like to put extra where the scars are, so right here I'm dabbing a lot because it's I really want that one to go away. And don't forget to bring your skincare down your neck. There's another scar up here on my forehead. Got a lot of tiny bumps. And the crazy thing is about my breakouts is being in quarantine, this is the least amount of makeup I've worn, so I can't believe my skin is really just going through it. But I really like these two items a lot. And I love their scent. Like, they have such like a fresh, soft scent to them, but these are really nice. And then after that, after I do that, let these sit for a little bit. Always take your SPF, and I like to use the one by Lancome. This is again for lifting and firming dark spots. So again, for the scarring I'm having on my face, obviously for that, but this also has SPF in it, which you always need. And any cream or facial products that have any like lightening ingredients, so like vitamin C, retinol as well, things like that, you always use SPF, especially if you're going to be outside following that. So make sure if you use any products like that to use an SPF. And I just like dab it a little bit. You guys don't need an SPF like Lancome, literally. I love the one from Neutrogena. I always keep it in my car. And then I'm going to take this moisturizer by Youth to the People, and I'm going to mix that as well. And I'm just going to moisturize my face. Make sure you always get all the way in that hairline, get underneath those eyes. And then I take the leftover product and I put it on the top of my hands. Especially because you always want to get SPF on your hands. Your hands probably tan a lot easier than you think, especially for those of you who drive every day. And lastly, I like to put on my Clinique Pep Start moisturizer. I actually have a Mario Badescu lip balm that I always, like when I'm in a rush, I keep it in the car for that reason, but I forgot to bring it out of my car. This one I kind of like to use at night. This is a really good nighttime lip balm. But the Mario Badescu one is perfect for like all day. And that is it for my daytime skincare routine. It's really, really simple. Literally all I do is like wash, tone, and moisturize. Obviously mixed with my SPF. But I have noticed since starting to use both of these products, like my skin has been free from breakouts. It's been like a lot more plump. Like, I mean, you guys can tell, like just plump and hydrated and just very, very healthy. My scars are starting to go away like immediately. Like, I really do love these products a lot. And they are kind of pricey, but you guys know how I am when it comes to makeup and skincare. And that's it. Like, that's all I do for my morning skincare routine. I like to keep it light and simple, especially because it's morning, and usually at nighttime I do like a way more intense routine. But these two products have really been helping my skin like clear up. I mean, you guys have seen, if you guys have been seeing me do my makeup and stuff for the past month, you guys have seen like I've had a lot of blemishes and a lot of like little tiny scarring, but they've really been going away with these two products. And I know they're kind of pricey, but I have a discount code for you down in the description box. I will link their website down below. You can also use the code Cori G, IND, short for Indiana. Actually, I think the code, like Indiana shortened, is like IN. Cori G, IND for 10% off your purchase. So go ahead and use that discount code. But these items are very, very, very good. Like, I'm super impressed with these products. Like, I really, really like them, and I love how my skin has been looking lately. I felt a lot more confident lately going out without makeup, just keeping that flawless base. So guys, I did want to let you know that I used to buy cotton rounds from Sephora, but they were a little bit more expensive, like $1 more and a lot less cotton rounds in them. So I do buy these from CVS. These are the Beauty 360 premium cotton rounds. They have two different textures on both sides. So one is like more of like an exfoliator, another one is just like a very smooth side, and there's 80 cotton. This actually came in a trio, so there was 3 of these in one bag. So one of these has 80, but there was 3 in there, so 80 times 3, and it was like $3. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my daytime, morning time skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed my cute Target pajama set. I hope you guys enjoyed my face without any makeup. If you like this video or you like me, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to shop my products as well. And I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!